Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a Level 3 challenge from KodeKloud Engineer. We've been tasked by the Nautilus DevOps team to modify an Apache configuration on App Server 2. We need to do two main things. Change the default listening port to 3004 and set up specific URL redirects. Let's jump in. We need to get into the server. We'll SSH into App Server 2 as the user Steve. Once we're in, we need root privileges to modify configuration files. So, we'll use sudo -i to switch to the root user. The task said Apache is already installed, but we need to verify. It is already installed, but we need to verify which port it's currently using. I'll grep the main configuration file at /etc/httpd/conf/httpd.compare for the listen directive. As you can see, it's currently set to 8080. Let's fix that. We'll open the file with vi, find the listen line, and change 8080 to 3004. This tells Apache to start hearing requests on our custom port. Now for the meat of the task, the redirects. Instead of cluttering the main config, it's best practice to create a new file in /etc/httpd/conf.d. We'll call it main.compare. We need two blocks here. The first is a 301 permanent redirect. This sends users from the non-www version of the site to the www version. A 301 tells browsers and search engines that this move is forever. The second is a 300 to temporary redirect. This is for when you want to move traffic from /blog to /news just for a little while. Notice we use the specific path here, so only that folder is redirected. Configurations don't take effect until the service is reloaded. We'll run systemctl restart attd. Always follow up with a systemctl status to make sure there are no syntax errors and the service is active. And that's it. We've successfully remapped the port and handled both permanent and temporary redirects. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more KodeKloud Linux Level 3 challenges. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.